Hi and welcome to Digital Toolcase. This is the first edition of AI Tools Breaking News. I don't know if you will like this kind of format. If so, let me know in the comments. In the meantime, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Why I want to make a video like this? Well, because many times I see little news into some of the AI tools I always talk about, but sometimes they are really little gems, little news, and I don't want to make an entire video about it. So I decided to do something like this, where I will show you some different tools and some different news. And I hope you will like it. Stay with me because I also have some special discounts for you for some of these tools. Let's start with Closest Copy. It has been a while without talking about Closest Copy. Let's be honest, Closest Copy is one of the first tools I talked about on my channel, but this tool did not get many updates lately, especially since ChatGPT was released. ChatGPT, we all know, has been a revolution in the AI tools world, and Closest Copy was a little bit stuck. But this is a post from some days ago from Nico Engler, the owner and developer of Closest Copy, and I want to read it with you. Relax, I'm not dead. Working hard behind the scenes, and will ship my update of Closest Copy, obviously, in May. It's taking me so long because I had to learn a few new things. Closest Copy was built on top of outdated technologies. Now he's completely rebuilding Closest Copy, and an interesting update will come very soon. I just want to show you this quick FAQ section. Will we get a modern UI? Yes. Will we be able to use OpenAI models, GPT 3.5, GPT-4? Yes. So these are two important updates for Closest Copy, and maybe for you if you are a Closest Copy user. The release date is, as you can see, maybe May 9th. So we just need to wait, and obviously once the new Closest Copy version will be released, I will show you here on my channel. The next news is about Chibi, because there's a new feature in Chibi I want to show you, but remember, I have a special discount for Chibi AI. It's only valid until the 30th of April 2023, so you still have some days to take advantage of this discount. You can subscribe to this $42 monthly plan with unlimited AI writing inside Chibi with a 15% discount. You find the code, the discount code, in the description. Use it, but again, before April 30th, 2023. And remember, you can also try Chibi if you want. You have 10,000 credits for free, no credit card required. Try it because it's one of my absolutely favorite tools. But what is this new Chibi feature? It's this simple bar here where you have your documents. It's called Content Boost. If I click here on Learn More, as you can see, there is a specific video for this new feature. It's really simple, but really cool. As you can see, you need to fill this bar with, for example, write a content type about topic or theme for audience. You can also specify some additional info to give Chibi, and this will generate a starting document for you. I want to show you really quickly how it works. And this is my example. Write a blog post about new online business opportunities for beginners. Obviously, it doesn't need to be a blog post, it can be any kind of content. Then I just need to click on this icon and Chibi will start to craft a starting a Kickstarter document for me. I just need to wait a few seconds or a few minutes. As you can see, there is this progress bar here. Let's wait until it's finished. And now, as you can see, I have a 783 word starting article. It's not a finished article. This content boost is just to start, to give you a starting point for an article, and it's really interesting because I have, as you can see, a quick introduction, a quick paragraph. Then I have these prompts. So this content boost is also generating some prompts. Then you can choose if you want to use them or not. For example, what are some of the advantages of starting an online business over a traditional brick and mortar business? Maybe this is something you want to use in your article. You already have this prompt. You can run the prompt and you will have your output. How has the COVID-19 pandemic affected the growth of online businesses? Maybe you want to insert this part in your article, maybe not. If not, you can just get rid of it. You have other parts, for example, beginner-friendly opportunity 1, affiliate marketing with the pros and cons, opportunity 2, online course creation with the pros and cons, opportunity 3, drop shipping with the pros and cons, and so on. Some tips, for example, tip 1, focus on your niche. Tip 2, invest in your education. Tip 3, for beginners, consistency is key. You again have some other prompts ready here. What are some other essential tips for online business success, and so on, until your finished part here. Again, this is not an article, it's just a new way to kickstart a content, and you can do it with any kind of content. It can be a story, it can be an email, it can be a commercial letter, for example, or it can be a blog post. It's a new way to do some kind of research very, very quickly with Chibi and with this new content boost feature. I hope you understand how this is working and how this can be really, really, really useful. Obviously, you can watch my entire Chibi review if you don't know how it works. Next news is for Scalenut. I made a Scalenut review some weeks ago. Scalenut is another famous and really good tool for generating AI content, SEO-optimized AI content. I have a special discount code for Scalenut. If you want to use it, you can find it in the description. I have a 20% discount, so you may want to use it with your Scalenut plan. You can also try it, obviously, for 7 days for free. Scalenut has just been recognized by G2 as a Spring Leader for 2023 because it's a high quality tool. You can obviously again watch my entire review so you can see how it works, how you can generate an SEO-optimized article in 5 minutes with this cruise mode. You can generate automatic outlines, factual content with SERP data. You can optimize existing content, and you can also cluster your keywords before you generate your article with the keyword planner. You have an SEO score, you have templates. Obviously, I suggest you to try Scalenut because I think you will like it. And as you can see in this email report from Scalenut about the G2 Spring Leader, you can see these votes by Scalenut users. Ease of use 9.4, quality of support 9.5, and ease of setup 9.5. And again, you can find in the description my affiliate link with an exclusive discount code, 20% off, that you can have by using my link. This is really important. Now let's talk about ContentAtScale. This news is really quick because I just made some days ago a review about the version 2.0 of ContentAtScale. This is the most expensive AI writing tool, but if you are not a beginner, so maybe you have an agency, you produce a lot of content and you want quality AI content, this can be your tool of preference. In this version 2 you have also your SEO optimization like this, you have the plagiarism checker, you have the AI detector inside the platform, it's the same, they offer for free. You can generate with just one keyword, just one click, very good articles. This tool is not cheap at all, as you can see, but again, if you use my affiliate link, you find it in the description, you can have 20% more credits. So in this example, with $500 monthly, you can generate 20 posts every month, and if you use my link, you can generate not 20 but 24. It's a way to spend a little less for every single post. Obviously, the more you pay and the less you pay for every single post if you generate all the posts you can every month. I know for many people this is way too expensive, but I also know and see on YouTube many people using ContentAtScale because it's super easy to use and with just one keyword you can have really good articles. Next news is about Katteb. Katteb is a fact-checked AI content generator. Katteb is still on AppSumo as of today. As you can see, these are the different plans for Katteb. You can start for just $39 for your lifetime deal, but with some limits. Obviously, you can stack up to 10 codes if you need more words every month, or you can try it directly on their site. You can subscribe and try it by yourself. These are the official prices for Katteb, quite cheap, but I want to show you something new. The first thing is they are working on an improvement of this user interface. They are working on something new. It will be released in the next weeks, but they also released two new templates. One is these semantic keywords, so if I choose English and if I choose United States, I can insert a blog idea here. I will use the same as before, online business opportunities for beginners. If I click on generate, Katteb will extract from the SERP some semantic keywords I can use and insert in my article. Okay, as you can see, I have 20 semantic keywords or phrases that are related to my blog article, something I can use inside my article to make it more relevant to the single SERP or the topic, obviously. And the other interesting new template here is this rate my article. You can find it here in the list. Let's pretend you wrote an article and published an article. You need to insert this URL here. Now I will use an example article. It's this one from the Search Engine Journal. It's talking about the top 14 SEO podcasts. So let's pretend the target keyword is top SEO podcasts, and this template will analyze this article and will give a feedback. So imagine you will do it with one of your articles. You can analyze your article and have some suggestions. For example, it's telling me SEO 9/10, readability 8/10, potential optimizations with a list of things I can do on my article once it's published to make it even better. And these are the two new templates in Katteb, and obviously we will wait for the new interface, and when it's ready I will show you here on my channel. Again, you can find Katteb still on AppSumo in these days if you want, or if you prefer you can subscribe directly from their site and even try it for free. If you like free, this is another news. I made a video some days ago about Open Assistant. This is a free and new and open source AI chat tool. So if you don't know what this is, well, go and watch my review about Open Assistant. This project is still at the beginning, but I think it can become a really good alternative to ChatGPT, for example, and you can contribute because this is open source, so they need your feedback, they need you to do something to make it better. You can complete some tasks to help these guys to make this open source AI chat tool way better in the future. The last thing I want to talk about in this first edition of AI Tools Breaking News is Adobe Firefly, because Adobe is entering the world of AI-generated images. This is a beta project and you need to request access in order to use it. I made my request some days ago. I still don't have access, but if you want you can go to the link you find in the description. It's firefly.adobe.com. And as you can see, these are some examples of images generated by this Adobe tool. I suppose it will be really cool and a really good alternative to both Stable Diffusion and Midjourney, the two most famous tools. So let's wait to have the access to this Adobe Firefly, but I just wanted to show you they are coming in the AI image battle. And this is it for this AI Tools Breaking News. I hope you like this idea. Again, if so, please let me know in the comments. Click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and obviously, as always, I'll see you soon in another video here on Digital Toolcase.